Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking basic prerequisites. Make sure your device's Wi-Fi is on and connected to the network you intend to inspect. Once connected, open your device's network settings or a web browser to access the router at its IP address. Common addresses are 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1. If you plan to view the full device list, have the router admin username and password ready. This gets you immediately to the controls you need, no waiting, just direct action. After logging into the router admin panel, navigate to the area labeled Device List, Attached Devices, DHCP Clients, or similar. Routers use different labels, so scan the menu. Once there, read the table showing IP, MAC address, hostname, and connection type. To identify unknown entries, compare MAC addresses to those in your device settings or temporarily disconnect one device to see which entry disappears. Make sure to note wired versus wireless connections, because some devices listed may be Ethernet connected rather than on Wi-Fi. Finish by confirming the device shows as connected and record its IP and MAC. This prevents confusion later. Then, make sure the device actually communicates by running a quick ping or traceroute from another device. This verifies reachability. If the device does not appear, reboot the router and the device, and check DHCP lease limits or MAC filtering. Often leases expire or filters block access. If problems persist, reset network settings on the device as a last step. That usually resolves hidden configuration issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.